So welcome everybody into another daily recap. Today is Thursday and it's the 22nd of February. So let's have a look at what happened today. We're going to see that the only trades that I took were on GBPUSD and were all losses. You can see that, I mean, we're going to talk about those, but yeah, 3 losses and 3 pips, 3.2 pips, 3.2, 2.2 pips. And let's get into it. So doing the only trades that, as you can see, were throughout the New York session. I missed out on this first entry at the start of my session, which was during the pre-London one, and I saw this very clean price was moving bullish, very clean. We broke and we tested these highs. I second guessed. I also had plenty of time because I could have entered manually with this candle, but I did not. I said no, I don't want to risk it. Maybe yes, maybe no, but I mean, just to go to those highs or the hourly PSA would have been a 5 pip, which is a break-even trade. But yeah, sometimes it's hard, especially if I'm coming from I mean, this week I don't know how many losses in a row. You can see, yeah, just 3 wins over I don't know many trades. So it's getting a little bit difficult to mentally to enter, to just have that freedom of mind that I need, that I know that I will need to have as a professional trader. But yeah, this was the first trade idea. Simply the setup is there: breakout, retest, entry with a buy limit over here for possible continuation up. You can see that it will have a first reaction at this hourly, and it's okay, but it's not in our control to know if it's going to break above or push down. If it pushes down, we are at break even. Maybe the retest is going to happen over here. It's the same. And yeah, we have a continuation. I was, I think, ready to get some entry above these highs, but we didn't get any retest. Price just went up and kept pushing up. Also with the news, I was looking for some entry, but you can see that how sometimes when the price is this volatile and the volume is that much, the momentum is so strong, it's not giving you the retest. Even if I go on the 20-tick chart, you can see that, I mean, there's not many retests at the specific PSA. As you can see over here, you can see with the news. After that, it's not really, you can see that, yeah, we have something over here. And this is I saw that even on the 1 minute, I saw this price action. Actually, I think I saw it on 20-tick chart. I'm going to show you that on the actual screenshot that I took. But yeah, I saw this breakout with this high volume. Also the 20-tick chart was very good. I don't know if on the 60-tick chart would have been the same. Yeah, a little bit more clear than the 1 minute. Because, but yeah, I mean, even on the 1 minute. But I was looking at it on the 20-tick chart because that's where I saw the most of the price action and the price sensitivity area. And so let's have a look at these PSAs. So you can see that the first entry that I showed you were exactly this. I saw it and I knew that I could have taken it, and just seeing the price continue pushing up. This one was on GBPJPY, same thing. On gold, same thing. And you can see that on the 20-tick chart on GBPUSD, this is the thing. So this retest, I said, okay, this might be the retest for the push up, and it will go around 11 pips, 10 point something pips. But I did not take. So just start of the session, it's 2 trades missed and 2 wins missed. So 20 pips of profits missed because of second guessing, because of not being absolutely okay. After that, I go to the New York session and I saw this trade. I was looking at it. This is the start of the New York. Price is breaking below these lows. I was watching this candle, exactly this one. I knew that I have to take a sell limit over there because the bearish pressure was quite strong. I mean, you can see how also very clean this trend line was. I mean, it's a very clean trend line. So if we see the price breaking below, There's a very high chance that it will continue pushing down. But instead, I did not enter. I second guessed, and I should have entered. And I'm talking about this entry over here, but I didn't take it. After that, we had some news, but yeah, what I took was I placed a sell stop right below these lows, and because the news was quite strong for the actual USD, so I placed a buy sell stop there. It got activated and then pushed up immediately. So it was very, very unlucky, but I mean, it's unlucky, but at the same time, it's not my setup and I should stop using that. So I got stopped out. I see the price action moving. Now, okay, now they grab liquidity. Now it's going to continue pushing down. Yes, but not that time. At this time, I had now the sell limit below these lows. Very small candles. This is the mistake that I made on this second entry. Is that yeah, look at the size of the candles. Look at, I mean, the retest was not that strong. I mean, if you just look over here, it's not. What are we retesting? Is this single candle strong enough? I don't think so, but anyway, will be stopped out, push up, and then it will continue down. Then after taking 2 losses, so missing 2 wins, taking 2 losses, I did not take this one. I saw this retest on the 20-tick chart. It was perfect. I said, yeah, I should take that because that's the 3rd attempt, but I should take that. You can see how clean it was, but I didn't take. And just to see it go to TP in a few seconds, in a few minutes. After that, I had also these trade ideas below these lows, below the hourly, break and retest will go to more than 10 pips, following the bearish momentum due to the news. What I took was the break and retest below these lows, and this one should have been a break-even one, but I knew that there was some report, the PMI, high impact. So you can see very good entry. I like it. We will go to around 6 pips. So the stop loss was at break-even after going down here, and I should have closed at around 3, 4, 8, 6 pips before the news, because I knew that it was just a coin flip. It could have gone, if it went this side, yeah, I would have taken a nice TP of around 10 pips, but I knew that I was risking a coin flip, and that's why even with the stop loss at break even, I was even lucky that I got stopped out at 2 pips of loss instead of maybe at the top of this candle, which would have been a little bit worse. So overall, this is the thing. So missing out on these 2 trades, 1, 2, which then really affected my confidence, my trading as a whole. Then over here, as you can see at the start of the New York session, you can see that we are a very strong, very clear trend, bearish trend line, with the price pushing down, facing this rejection, this area of possible like support, and I saw this the candle breaking below, but failed to actual enter. I failed to enter there, and I just took 2 rushed entries at the worst possible time, just because I was already missing out on so many trades. Yeah, and this one should have been a break-even one or a small win, but I decided to take a coin flip on that. Now we can see that on gold we had basically the same thing. I saw this price action on gold for the London session, and yeah, with this entry, which would have been a win, yeah, either a win or a break even, depending on where exactly the entry was, and a further possible entry below these lows. This one would have been a loss. And then yeah, with the actual when the New York session with more volume, you can see that we would have had these 2 entries. One, as you can see, would have been a lucky one. It's exactly the same thing that I was talking about with the PMI of taking a coin flip. You can see that this is when the news was coming up, and in this case, it would have been in my direction. But even if I was not trading during the news, I would say, okay, let me wait. After that, you see this, yeah, the full further retest of this area, only around 5-6 pips of drawdown. and then it will push to TP very, very fast. Talking about GBPJPY, so as you can see, I showed you in the screen, in a screenshot from the early morning. This one, I didn't take it. I saw it, but I didn't take it. This one on on GJ. Then same thing, we had very, very aggressive push up, and then with good news, then bad news, we had the reversal. So you can see that the same thing. This is at the same time that I was having some GU. I had the sell limit. I placed a sell limit over there, and then I also placed it on GBPUSD. And the thing is that it got active. Yeah, I was in this trade. The thing is that it got activated, would have been activated further down the line. Yeah, but if I just left it there, would have been activated and go into profits. Then I saw this price action. It will be, I mean, it looks okay because it looks like a 13 pips, but yeah, with the spread, this one would, of the news of the PMIs, this one would have been a losses. But yeah, so, and missing out on the bullish price action throughout the London, missing out on the bearish price action throughout the New York session. So not a very good session at all. It was also something very, very stressful, very frustrating, and now looks like that the GBP is pushing bullish. And yeah, on GBPUSD, I should have just simply taken. I have this one win, 2 wins, 3 wins. Maybe okay, I take this, but this one I should have taken it. I had the next one. It's okay, even if I have like 4 or 5 wins and 2 3 losses is absolutely fine. The thing is that after 2 losses I stopped, and this one with this nice volume coming back, that was, I knew that it was that. That's why it actually went into a win. But yeah, that's the thing. And apart from that, nothing, because this is the main thing. Second guessing, not taking the trade because for so many reasons, so many dumb thoughts that are keeping me from actually seeing my potential. So now, of course, if you just look at the month is going very bad. It's €100. It's from a 700. Started with 700. Now we are below the 600. So it's I don't know how much. If you just do 100 divided the 0 doesn't work. Okay, 100 divided by 700. Yeah, it's down 15%. And I know that that's not my potential. That's not my setup. My setup, it's I don't know where it was. This one. I know that my setup is more profitable than that, but I just look at how many reds. Just a couple of green, but look how many reds in these hours. But yeah, it's a long journey, and we're going to get there. Tomorrow it's Friday, and then we have some nice study sessions throughout the weekend because we need to study and reflect on what I'm doing psychologically and why I'm doing some stuff this way. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.